RAK Bank is basically a very dynamic bank. It was established in 1976, and even though in a 59 bank country, the UAE has got 59 banks over there, RAK Bank has created a niche for itself. It is one of the major retail players over there, and as well as in the SME segment. In fact, it is the largest SME bank in the country today. And in the retail sector also, especially in the cards and all, we are on the second or third position. We always keep fluctuating over there in the number of customers that we have. Basically, from the RAK Bank perspective, we had started working, we had implemented the Finacle Core a couple of years back over there. And then we saw this digital wave coming in. The first thing we did was partner with Infosys to implement a omni-channel framework over there to give us a capability of basically giving a customer the unified experience across all the channels. Earlier, we used to have a mobile banking as a separate platform, our internet banking as a separate platform. The customers would try to do a transaction or create a beneficiary on one platform. He did not have the sight of what has happened on the other platform. So that was our first aim, basically, to create this unified experience, and this is where we implement omni-channel. From the digital touchpoint point of view, if you ask me, today there's only one touchpoint the customer is asking, that is his mobile. In fact, after we did implement this omni-channel and combined our channels into mobile and internet banking both into one, our growth on the mobile channel has just shooted up by 100%. The number of users registered and the number of users using our mobile banking has just gone up by 100%. So that is showing how the user is basically moving. And in fact, the growth on the internet banking is more or less static. The user is basically asking wants the convenience of doing his transaction on his mobile, because that gives him the convenience of doing it from anywhere, anytime. So that's, I will say, people can say ATM can be a touch point. No, I am saying mobile is right now the touch point. That's the main thing for the customer. Then we started looking at our overall architecture. How do we start basically benefit from this omni-channel and start giving services, create more APIs, and start partnering with partners or fintechs over there. For example, in omni-channel, we build services for remittances, which our omni-channel platform are using to do the remittances services to various countries. We saw an opportunity over here with a partner called C3, who is having around, out of the 2 million blue-collar workers in UAE, they service around 600,000 customers over there. So we partner with them in their mobile app, is now basically integrated and calling our remittance APIs. So now the blue-collar workers who used to basically have the option of transferring money to his home country only on a Friday, that's a holiday for him, only on that day he could go to the market and go to an exchange house, now can do a remittance anytime, from anywhere. So those are the kind of market opportunities opening up for us. We chose Infosys, of course, after doing a thorough evaluation of the partners and doing the reference checks and all. Post that, in the last few years, I can say our relationship has grown. Infosys is one of the most mature vendors sitting out over there. We deal with a lot of vendors, and I have no qualms in saying Infosys is the best among the partners that we deal with.